Are you looking for Lake Barrington Shores homes for sale? Lake Barrington Shores is one of the best all-around gated communities in regards to so many things, including affordability, upkeep, friendliness, things to do, privacy, water sports, location of shopping, private concerts, clubs, golf, beautiful landscaping, walking paths, and just so much more. Now, once you have found a home in this paradise, I have put together 6 steps to be aware of during the closing process so you can integrate into this amazing community. Hi, it's John Herman with Property Up, and I've been helping sellers and buyers for years now in Lake Barrington Shores gated community, and here are 6 things to remember when buying a home in LBS or Lake Barrington Shores. 1. You will need to fill out a purchase application about 30 days before your close date with a copy of your sales contract. 2. There is an operating reserve fee that is used for expenses and startup costs, which is separate from your association dues. So if you close in April, you will start your association payments in May. Also, your attorney will be ordering the closing documents from the LBS management office for you. Number 3, once your closing is scheduled, you will reach out to the LBS management to schedule your new homeowner orientation. They can be reached at 847-382-1660, and the orientation takes only about 45 minutes, and you will want to bring your closing disclosure and your insurance policy with you, as the office will need a copy for the records. And also, please bring your smartphone to the orientation because the new gate access program is in effect, and they will help you and provide you with a step-by-step process for that. 4, during this time you will also verify that your insurance deductible meets the current LBS requirements, and I have provided a link for that below. 5, since Lake Barrington Shores is a gated community, you will also have a transponder installed in your car to make entry and exit a snap. Transponders are $35 a piece and paid by check. 6, moving trucks. Please contact the LBS main gate, again at 847-382-1660, and let them know your moving truck is going to arrive at what time and date, and let them know the company name as well. Also, if you're using a pod for your belongings, I've added a link below for that as well. I hope you found this educational and helpful. I am John Herman of Property Up, and I look forward to assisting you in purchasing a home in Lake Barrington Shores in the very near future. Make it a great day.